Hey, this is Cornel Swift for another video. Okay, so this video I'm going to be showing you how to do everything exactly on creating the shirt. So yesterday I was like in my bed, I was thinking about how to make this shirt, and I finally figured how to make the shirt. Alright, so one of the struggles with shirts, just in general, and creating it this way, right? I think this is like the first design that I've invented that is the original work, so you don't have any, there's no other shirt out there that is the same, because usually what they are is they're just like a t-shirt or like a sweatshirt or like a hoodie or a suit, a vest, some kind of thing. It's something like that. What I've done is I've just made it into a t-shirt, but put the image on the side and then just make everything transparent. So the request I got was he wants a fedora steel, right? A blue steel fedora. What I did was I did this. I just, what I did was he wants a blue steel, so I go to catalog, and I gotta go find this blue steel. That's the only way. Okay, so I just reloaded, so it goes faster. So now that I got this blue steel fedora up, I want to do, I want to copy it like at this perfectly in this range. So this is what I want to see. So since time frame takes too long to actually record it, I open up my image. I open up Snapgrab. This is what I use to capture images. And what I do is I press print screen in order for it to work. So I'm going to do that while I pause this, get back to you. Actually, I found a better way. I'm going to go to Roblox Studio, and then I'm going to, that way I can actually turn it around and everything and get the right angles the way it's supposed to. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get back to you. I'm going to pause. Okay, so I'm in Studio and I have the fedora up, and let me see if this works. I want to enlarge the fedora, so obviously that didn't work. This one doesn't work either. It has to be like, there we go. Okay, so let me just undo what I just did. Wish there was just something. Let's see, the size. This is 15818. So let's just increase this by 2. And like 1, because I'm increasing it by 1. Ew. Okay. Whatever it just did, it did not work. Okay, I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna get back to you. Okay, I got it to the right size that I want. It's big, so it's decent. So what I did was, these are just bricks, and it is a brick color white, transparent. I mean, not transparent. Color white, material is neon. So when you load it up, press on part, go to it, and that's how it looks. The reason why I'm doing white, because when I take a screenshot, right, the background is completely white. That way I don't have to mess around with the coloring. Okay. Put it in here. I could either go around like this, or I can use my rotator to rotate, but I'm gonna go like this because I like it like that. Okay, so that is exactly the position that I want it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate this, because that's what I want. I'm going to do this by 0.15 stud. if it's at this angle, basically I want it to be more like that. So when I actually, on the side view, right, that was the frontal view. On the side view, kind of like this. I want to see, basically, this is what I want to see, but I'm going to take the whole thing. But actually more like this. Oh, I'm going to pause it. I have an idea. Okay, so I'm going to be a certain range without losing the size of the image. But, yes, that's kind of like what I want to see, right? For what I imagine this door to be, that's what I want to see. So, like this. And then, side view. Kind of like the back. Now it has to go up more, like that, I believe. Back view. Actually, side view. Yeah. Then back view is kind of like that sort of. Yeah. Kind of like that. So this is what I have in my head. Okay. And if this doesn't work, I'll probably just draw it. But actually, no. Okay. Now here we go. So it's like this. This is what I want. That's isn't right. Exit this out. No. Do not save. And okay. So add. Don't want that big. Add. There's easy fix. Save. Okay. Now I can fix it the way I want. Alright. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, close this now. Alright, I'm gonna pause, I'm gonna get back to it. Okay, so basically I have three images because on the shirt I want to have 3 different angles of the fedora. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy, I just place it in this one, like this bigger, put this over here, paste it in, put it over here, same thing, same process, copy, put it in here, like that, X these 2 out, okay, now, file, there. That's what I got. So, you're probably wondering, what am I doing right now? What am I thinking of how to make this shirt? So, to make this shirt, this is what I'm thinking. Okay, I'm gonna get back to you. I'm just gonna edit this out. Okay, got it done. Then all I'll do is I'll need to copy one side because there's a reciprocal the other. and I go to this image, I paste it in. Let's make this transparent. Okay. Then I copy the top. Alright. Alright, so the process of what I want is this. So we know this is the front, this is the side, that's the back. So imagine I take this part out and I put it here. Right, so that's this part. So this is the main course of what I want. Of course, when I put the hat, this is how I want it to look like. This is where I want it to be here. Oh, did I not? Did I not do it? Okay. There's a little flicker. Let's make this like a darker gray, but not too gray. Oh, there's something I see. What the heck? Okay, come on now. Wait, why did I do dark gray? That's dumb. Okay. Copy. V. Let's resize this. I want to resize it to 30. Okay, that's too big. Z, V, resize 65. That's exactly how I want it. Like that. So imagine this. Right? Imagine. Oh snap. Okay. I need to move this. Perfect. Now Control V, resize, 65. Paste it in here. And that's how I do it. Then zoom in so I can get more details. Next important thing is to keep this. So at the front view, like when you're looking at somebody, okay, that's their head, that's the right arm, this is the left arm. So that's what you see. This is what you're going to see. Right? The thing is to keep in mind when you're dealing with hats is not to make it go over the shoulder. Not to make it go around the shoulder like that, because you can't really wrap it around. It has to be like right there. With the fedoras, with any hats that comes out, like, you know, like that comes out, meaning this part right here, like that part, or the side parts that comes out of the actual hat, you know, of the circle. I forgot what these things are called, but yeah, you can't make those go out on the side. It's really hard to do it. So what I did is I did this. Alright, so let's resize this to 65. So with that, right, copy V. I want it, when you do the side view, I want to have this on the side like that, kind of, right? So when you go on the side view, you get this side, like this, but it's completely different. I'm about to run out of a minute, but that's pretty much the gist of creating hats. I'll show you the finishing touch when it's done. Peace out. Or you can see it by going to my profile. Peace out.